I see the stars, they shimmer bright. It's just you and me, feeling so right. The water's cool under the moon's glow. Baby, let's dive deep and let our love flow. Whispers in the night, our hearts in sync. Together we can take on the world, don't you think? So let's take a nightly dip in the pool, underneath the stars like we're young and cool. No worries, no cares, just you and me free. In this shimmering water, it's where we're meant to be. The night is ours, let's make a splash. Your lips on mine, it happens so fast. In this moment, nothing else matters. Just the rhythm of our hearts, the sound of our laughter. Hold me close, don't let me go. This love, baby, is all we need to know. So let's take a nightly dip in the pool, underneath the stars like we're young and cool. No worries, no cares, just you and me free. In this shimmering water, it's where we're meant to be. So here's to the nights under the silver light. With you by my side, everything feels right.
It finally turned green. Nice. My salt level is high enough. Nice. I don't know if you can see that. It looks blurry on the video. That top green one is the salt parts per million or whatever, and it's good. Nice. Took a while. I put 3 bags in there, and it just took a while to circulate. Cool. That's awesome. You gotta watch out, I got stuff along the pool. That is awesome, it's green, nice. I'm happy. I was gonna get some bags of salt tomorrow, and I should anyway, but
the engine roars and I'm down on my knees with soap suds on my hands. I'm feeling that breeze. We laugh, we joke, bringing life to the grind. A crew like this you won't ever find. Wash away the stress, let's fly. Together we rise, feeling that drive. At the car wash, where dreams ignite. We stand tall, work hard, feeling right. With every scrub, we chase the light. At the car wash, we own the night.
Well, that's it. It was just to show you the pool, how nice it was. Took me a few weeks to clean it, but I did it on my own, so that's cool. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Baby.